Now I will give you one assignment based on conditional statements. My requirement is you need to create an HTML page with the name display dayname.html. You need to create a page with the name display dayname.html. Inside this display dayname.html file, you need to create a button control with the name display dayname. Now my requirement is when the user clicks on this display dayname button, you need to call a JavaScript function which is created inside the same HTML file. The function appears something like this: function fn display dayname, and this function has to take a day number as input parameter. Okay, so I'm just writing dno over here. Your variable name can be anything. Now my requirement is when the end user clicks on this button control, obviously we need to call this function, right? So tell me how to call this function. Very simple. From the on click event of this button, on click is equals to fn display dayname, and you pass some day number. Let us say you passed some day number as 3, right? Something like this. Where will you write this on click? Obviously inside this button control definition. In the HTML file, while defining the button control, you will be writing something like this: input type is equals to submit, id is equals something, so on and so forth. Immediately after all those things, you will be writing on click and then closing the button control. Okay, so from that button controls on click event, you need to call this function fn display dayname. And when the day number is passed as input into the function, inside the function you need to write some code, right? And this code has to identify what is the day number, and it has to display the day names accordingly. In case if the day number is 1, you have to display Monday, maybe by using alert box. Similar way, in case if the day number value is 2, you display Tuesday. For 3, Wednesday, right? For 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday. Then 7, Sunday. In case if user is passing any other day number other than 1 to 7, obviously you have to display a message stating that invalid day. I believe you understood the requirement. Now I recommend you to complete this requirement on your own by writing the code in Visual Studio, right? In case if you don't have Visual Studio software, wherever you are writing the JavaScript code, there I recommend you to write the JavaScript code. Whichever the editor you would like to use, you can use. I believe you understood. So I believe you completed this assignment. Now I will try to show you the solution for this assignment. Okay, so only for verification purpose or for cross checking, I will be writing the code for this function. You just please observe carefully. Now I opened my Visual Studio. I will click on File, New, Website, because for writing the JavaScript code, obviously we need website kind of project. So obviously I am selecting File, New, and then Website. After selecting Website, New Website, I am just selecting ASP.NET empty website, and after that, now here I will give some name to the website. I'll give the name as JS Conditional Statements Assignment 1, and let me click on OK. Now I will try to create new page by clicking on Solution Explorer. Now let me right click on this. I will create an HTML page by clicking on add new item. After this I will select HTML page, and I'll change the page name to display daynames.html. I clicked on add. Now new HTML page is created. In the HTML page, in the body, I will create submit button. After creating the submit button, something like this, I will write on click is equals to fn display day name, and you pass some number into the function. Okay, so anyhow, now we need to define this function in the JavaScript. By going to the head, I will type script tag inside the header. After that, I will create the JavaScript function. JavaScript function name must be same as fn display day name. So let me use it, and a day number variable, right? Now we need to write the conditional statements inside the body of this function. How to write? We need to check if day number, incoming day number value is equal to 1, you must display alert Monday, right? You observe carefully, I am writing day number equal to 1 because I just want to verify whether the day number value is equal to 1 or not. So if you want to check whether the day number value and this 1 both are equal or not, we need to use double equal to. Similar way, I need to use else if condition day number is equals to 2, again open curly bracket, end curly bracket. You can write alert day number, not day number, should be Tuesday. So on so forth, you will be writing the remaining code. Let me write remaining code also. Else if day number 3 Wednesday, else if day number 4 Thursday, else if day number 5 Friday, else if day number is equals to 6 Saturday, else if day number 7 Sunday. In case if nothing is matching, in the else block you display invalid day message. I believe you understood. Now let us try to execute this code. How to execute this code? Very simple. I must send this entire HTML page code to browser. How to send? Very simple. Right click on the page, click on view in browser option. Once you click on view in browser option, now my browser has received the display daynames.html page output. Now if you want, you can see what data is displayed by the browser. Now if you want to observe what data is received by this browser as input, you can do it by right clicking on the browser and by clicking on view page source option, right? So once you click on view page source option, the browser will display whatever the HTML and JavaScript code received by this browser. It will be showing everything over here. Okay, you remember the JavaScript code, you cannot be able to hide it from the end users whatever you do, and similar way HTML code also you cannot be able to hide it from the end users. Okay, now what I will do here is I will click on submit button. So when I click on submit button, what will be the output we will be getting? Very simple. You observe while calling this function we passed 3. So 3 means Wednesday we have to get. If you want, you can check. Am I getting Wednesday? Yes, right? Similar way, if you want, you can change the input over here, and after that refresh the browser. Browser will get the modified content. If you want, you can check by going to the view page source. You observe 7 is present over here. Now if I click on submit button, what will be the output we will be getting? Very simple, day number 7. Obviously we have to get Sunday. Let me check. Am I getting Sunday? Yes. Something like this you can verify. I believe you understood the point. This is how you will be doing the assignment.